So on the Boxster, the concern is that the right corner of this lid does not level with the body, with the quarter panel, with the top in retracted position. And there are different contributing factors. One of them, what we decided to do is to kind of just see how does the lid does on its own, regardless of top. So we disconnected the linkages that connect the drive to this top, and we also removed these dampening cylinders. The top has to be about in this position, so there's about 5-6 inches there, and when the top is in this position, you'll be able to move the lid up and down. And what we also did, we removed the alignment and the stop pin, which goes up here. So if you remove it, and by the way, by the wear in this pin, we can see it was a little bit off. So now we can move the lid up and down, and what you should be able to see, like on this side, this one is nicely leveled. It's perfectly leveled. On this side, we removed the alignment pin, and you can see that this is actually, for the most part, it is better now, but you can see something is pushing it back a little bit. So we still need to find the reason why it's not, it should be. We want to see it pretty much in this position. An hour and a half later, we made some progress. So we cleaned those sliders. There was some grease there that picked up some dust that put some resistance in how it slides. So we cleaned that, applied Teflon lubricant, so that was all set. And there was some improvement, but nothing significant. We checked for any adjustments on those bolts, and there was nothing we could adjust. So the only thing was left to do is repositioning. We basically twisted this side down and that side up. We did that gently until we achieved pretty much a perfect close. And now we already have this centering pin installed correctly. To install it correctly, you put it in, but you don't tighten it so that it can move a little. And then when you close this, yeah, you can see. You see it's now rested all the way down, and you can see it's pretty much, not pretty much, it's properly leveled. So we cleaned and lubricated and reassembled everything. We also made some fine-tuning adjustments on the control levers for the lid. So that's been done. And we're gonna show you what we have achieved. So we just closed it on its own. We didn't have to manually assist the window. And you can see it is now leveled, and most importantly, it is all the way down to the bottom. It doesn't pop up anymore. So now that all the work is done, we're gonna do a complete cycle. The car was actually, we left it with the roof up over the weekend. We came back, we just lowered the roof, and that's where it is. And now we're gonna do one more cycle. So we're gonna move the, we're gonna put the roof up. Let's go ahead. Nice and smooth. Everything lines up nicely. We're gonna latch it. This is all good. As you can see, it leveled nicely on both ends. So now we're going to lower the roof. And one of the key things to remember is when you're done with the roof cycle operation, we're still gonna hold the button for another few seconds, maybe even like 20-30 seconds. We're gonna hold the button for the hydraulics to finalize its motions. Let's go ahead. So as you can see, it goes nice, straight. And And then here we're still holding the button for a little bit, and you can see it leveled nicely. And as you drive the vehicle, it will settle in, because it will settle in even a little bit more, because remember that this cover does not have any pull down mechanism as it is with many other convertibles. It's pretty much levels on its own. So we're gonna put the roof up, park the vehicle, and it works nice. Thanks for watching this video segment. Consider sharing, subscribing. Please let us know which videos you like the best by simply clicking that like button. My name is Dimitri, and until next time.